Today we're packing lunch the peaceful way, using the Bentoheaven Premium Bento Box, because sometimes lunch should feel like a little gift to yourself, not just something you eat between meetings. This bento has a clean, minimalist look, the kind that makes you want to organize your whole fridge afterward. Inside there are two main compartments, one for your main course and one for whatever sparks joy. Maybe a small salad, some fruit, or that leftover pasta that you swore that you'd eat tomorrow. Everything fits perfectly, like a tiny Japanese puzzle box. The sections keep your food neat and dignified, which means no more dressing, mixing with your strawberries, and no more mysterious lunchtime soups that weren't supposed to be soups. There's also a little dip container, ideal for soy sauce, hummus, or a small stash of peanut butter if you're living on the edge. The utensils and chopsticks fit snugly in their own compartment, which makes it easy to look put together, even when you're eating at your desk and answering emails with one hand. The whole set is microwavable, dishwasher safe, and surprisingly lightweight, a rare combination of practical and pretty. You can tell it was designed by people who actually eat lunch, not just design lunch boxes. And whether you're packing a colorful poke bowl, a sandwich and chips, or last night's sushi experiment, it makes it somehow look intentional, even elegant. Lunch might not always be glamorous, but with the Bentoheaven box, it can at least be graceful.